Hey everyone, it's Carlos over at BearBullTraders.com, and here's my recap for today, Monday, August 20th. Taking the loss for today, did not trade well on MU, and I'll kind of break that trade down on what my thought process was and where I had some missed opportunities. So right at the open, MU looked great for opening range breakdown. It had this nice little drop here, a pullback to the VWAP, and here's where I failed to get in. The 935 candle. I missed my entry here. This is a great entry for the type of opening range breakdown that I like to trade. So I missed my entry here close to VWAP. I got in a little late on the next candle. Then it did this pullback, and my plan was to hold it into the VWAP. I let it go just a little bit above that in case it was going to bounce back. I did not get the feeling it was going to bounce back, so I did pull out everything here. Then after that, I took a short trade on IQ, small scalp, not a lot of units, and just took $81 out on an opening range breakdown. Then I came back over here to MU. Actually, no, while in this trade, while in the IQ trade, I saw MU setting up again for a nice short. Andrew also pointed this out as a great short. Because I was still in IQ, I took a lot less shares. I didn't want to be full size in two positions, so I took a lot less share. It did this nice drop. I got out of IQ around here somewhere, and then I realized, man, I should have taken a full position on this setup because it was just such a clean setup. So once in this consolidation here, I added about another 200 shares to see if it will keep dropping. It did just that. Then I just took everything out here to bring my loss to a 253 instead of what it was. I think it's 400. So I'm not sure. But again, just did not trade this well. The first mistake here was not getting a good entry, not reacting right away when it was to the VWAP. This was my indication to get in on the 935 candle on the way down. Even when it closed here would have been a better entry. So that was the first thing here. Then here, well, actually this was a good stop. I'm not upset at this because you never know. MU can, start pushing up. So this is fine. But then here I should have went in with a full size, knowing that this was still a very good setup. Okay, it's on his way back down below the VWAP, and the risk to reward, the VWAP is now lower, it's from here. I would say the initial target would have been here or either this one. Actually, the new low of the day would have been the first initial target. So still a good risk to reward. Did not trade it well, so I'll be taking the loss for today. But again, this is a good setup. So if I see this setup again tomorrow or any of the other days, I'm definitely still going to take it because the probabilities of working out are higher than the times that it has not worked out. Hope everyone else had a good, clean day, starting the week right, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.